Shaking table installation. First, place two channel steels in parallel and in reverse. Put the machine foot of the equipment into the channel steel. Align the holes with screw holes on the back. Put the motor plate on the slot cylinder. Fix with screws. Channel steel bracket. Tighten all screws and check. Place the head of the bed on the corresponding screw holes on the steel plate. Tighten the transmission box screws. Put the cover bracket on the corner first. Each set of rocking machine has a number. Make sure to match the same set of numbers. Place the magnet in the groove on the machine foot. Then put the support plate. The concave and convex part is downward. Each shaker has facets. Put them in order. Install the adjustment wire tube. First, insert the wire tube through the corresponding hole of the large channel steel. Then insert the cross nut into the corresponding hole of the machine foot. Pass the screw through the cross nut. Put the fixing seat into the screw and fix it. Fix the machine foot handwheel knob on the screw. Finally, tighten the fixing screw. Another screw. Install in the same way. Install the large pulley. First, put the pulley into the side bearing of the head of the bed. You can use tools to put the large pulley on. Fix the transmission box with screws. Use the thumb screws to connect the plate box. Fix the connector. Make sure to tighten the screws. Place the shaking table surface. Each shaking table surface weighs about 400 to 500 pounds. It takes multiple people to work together. Lift the shaking table surface and place it on the bracket. Put the grooved part of the bed surface on the support plate, as shown in the figure. Place all four positions like this. Push the bed surface forward until the screw on the connector enters the empty slot at the head and tail of the bed. Then after the screw enters the empty slot at the head and tail of the bed, use the nut to screw it in and fix it. Fix the sand and water tank with screws on the side with the baffle of the gun.